Ngayon, sa network setup naman tayo. Una, punta ka sa Start, then go to Control Panel, tapos choose Network Setup Wizard, tapos click Next, then you will see the word Welcome. Click Next and go to Requirements. Click Next, then go to Select Method. Click Next, then go to Computer Description or Name, then put your computer name, example, my name, Melissa. Click Next, then you can see Workgroup, then type example, ITA. Click Next, then click Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Click Next, then you will see the summary. Then, click Just Finish the Wizard. Then you will see Restart, then you must click OK. Then, yun lang.